I'm Sean, you're watching Hacking Patina, and this old gal in blue is a 1960 CJ-5 named Westcliffe. And this is her F-134 Hurricane. In episode 1, we had to yank this out of here because we got her running, but we couldn't go scooter. It had a bad clutch. So a fella does the right thing, and he yanks that engine. What else does he find? He found himself his first critter nest.
And it had been sitting for a long time, and something, here's the clutch friction plate I've been after. It shows signs of something odd.
Tucked up in the bell housing, tucked up in the flywheel, packed up tighter than Toby's assets on colonoscopy day. My job today is to finish stripping down this girl so I can send it off to the machinist and do the right thing, get her rebuilt back up, and we can get this girl back on the road.